So we've been grinding the welds back. It's taking shape down there, a little bit more to do, but we have come across a flat spot here. It's from about there to about there. I could fill it with filler, but no, I know it's there, we need to sort it. We've broke it, so we need to fix it. But other than that, it is taking shape, but you can see it. See that there? And then it just flattens off there, and then it comes back around up there. Nice little continuous curve on that side. But yeah, these things happen. Shit happens. Any advice in the comment section will be much appreciated. But we'll crack on with it tomorrow.